Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean the coils on a Garrison portable air conditioner. So the first thing you need to do is take off your filter on the back here. Or you're just going to set that aside. If it's dirty, wash it and vacuum it before you put it back on. Now that that's off, we see some more screws here. So there's a couple here, there's one deep inside here, and there's some along the side here, a few here, and there's one inside here. And if you look at the side, there's some down the side on both sides. We're going to take all of them out so that we can remove the shell. Alright, so now that you have all the screws out, we're going to lift the shell off. And actually, if you look down in here, there's one more screw hidden just by this drain pipe here. We're going to get that out. Alright, so now that you have all the shell off, you don't actually need to take this side off. You can if you want. And then there's some screws that are kind of hard to get to up here. The easier way is to get this fancy little tool here. It's made by Shopvac. It's a detailing wand. It's actually for the car, but I find it's easy to get into small spaces, and it just has a little adapter that goes on to the end of your regular Shopvac, just like that. So now we're going to go ahead and vacuum this off. This isn't too dirty, but I'm doing this for a client. He wanted it cleaned, so we're showing you how to do it. Alright, so when we vacuum the side of the coils, you'll see this one bends over to the side. And actually bends around on this side. That's where we use our wand, and we'll just vacuum inside there. Alright folks, so that's all there is for the cleaning of it. Unless you aren't satisfied with how clean it is and it's kind of caked on there and there's stuff you can't get off with the vacuum, Then you can use this product here. It's a coil cleaner specifically made for the AC coils. I'll put a link in the description below, and you can dilute it in a bottle according to the instructions. However, this one's clean enough, so we're just going to go ahead and put it back together. Alright, so to get it back together, as you can see, you kind of have to tilt the bottom out and push up in, and then you pull to get that all back in. Once it's sitting where you want it to, go ahead and put all your screws back in. Alright, so now that all our screws are back in, we're just going to take our filter, replace it back into place. And then you're good to go. That's all there is to it, folks. And as always, hopefully you found this helpful, and please like and subscribe.